Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Tablet 10, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first, let's just double press the power key button, and we can see that we can just only lock the device. And if you want to launch the quick access to camera application from your power button, you just should open the settings and then scroll all the way down to the system section. Then just click here to the gestures and click quickly open camera. Now just to use this feature, you should click here only once on this feature, and now by double press or twice press the power key. Okay, once again, yeah, we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.